Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we have 8 minus b. We want to create about a square minus b square to cancel about the square root, but we just have only a minus b, so we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So we have like this. So this one we simplified and we have n squared plus 1 minus n squared. So n squared minus n squared we cancel. And now we have like this. Next, I will change about n equals to negative t. That means when n approaches to negative infinity, we will change for negative t. So negative side and negative side we simplify for the both side, and that's why we have like this. So this one we change for t approach to positive infinity, and we change for negative t. So this one that is about even power, so we have t to the power of 2. Later that we can do about factorization in here. Now the square root of t squared, that is about t. Now we need to simplify t. And we can see that when t approaches to positive infinity, this one they will go to number 0, but 1, the square root of number 1 minus number 1, you got number 0. However, this one they still about negative number 1. That means when this one they go to number 0, they will go to positive infinity. However, we have negative number 1 because this one they go to number 0. So negative number 1 divided by number 0, they will go to negative infinity. This is the end. Thank you for watching.